what's going on here, but somebody done pissed off all the birds. Oh my god. I just looked up for a second. I was like, what is this, the end of the world? Well, I've never seen so many birds in one area at once. Sea lions over there not giving a fuck. Oh, it's funny to watch those big birds do the splashdown. Once they see a fish in the water, like off in the bottom left, they'll just dive in the water. It's crazy. I thought they were suicidal at first. I didn't realize it did. I'm like, bro, what's some bird trying to kill himself? I was just out there and there was no birds. Now they're just... Apparently they like the rain too. I don't know what they're freaking out about. I think it's because of the bigger birds. I don't know, this is creepy. We got like little birds, and then the ones that dive in the water are those little like seagulls. I don't know what those are. Yeah, it's seagulls are taking over. F the crows. F everybody else, bro. The swans, whatever those things are. Cranes. Goodbye.